Are you drowning in data but starving for insights? AI is revolutionizing how we manage and analyze data, and those who master it are leaving competitors in the dust. Today, I'm sharing 10 powerful hacks to leverage AI in data management and analytics so you can be among the top beneficiaries. Let's unlock this game changer. Stop wasting 80% of your time on data cleaning. AI tools can automatically detect duplicates, fix inconsistencies, standardize formats, and fill missing values. Your action: use AI-powered tools like Alteryx, Trifacta, or Python libraries like Pandas with AI assistance. Set up automated cleaning pipelines that run before you even see the data. The benefit: what took days now takes minutes. You focus on insights, not data scrubbing. Forget complex SQL queries. AI now lets you ask questions in plain English. Your action: implement tools like Power BI with Copilot, Tableau Pulse, or ThoughtSpot. Simply type, "Show me sales trends by region last quarter," and get instant visualizations. The benefit: democratize data access. Even non-technical team members become data analysts. Everyone makes data-driven decisions faster. Stop looking at what happened. Start predicting what will happen. Your action: use AI platforms like Azure ML, Google AutoML, or Data Robot that build predictive models automatically. Feed historical data and let AI forecast trends, customer behavior, or inventory needs. The benefit: anticipate problems before they occur. Optimize inventory, predict churn, and make proactive decisions that give you competitive advantage. Manual monitoring misses 90% of critical anomalies. AI catches them instantly. Your action: deploy AI anomaly detection systems that continuously scan your data streams. Tools like AWS Lookout, Azure Anomaly Detector, or custom ML models flag unusual patterns immediately. The benefit: detect fraud instantly, catch system failures before they cascade, and identify opportunities competitors miss. Real-time alerts mean real-time action. Your data lives everywhere. Databases, spreadsheets, cloud apps, APIs. AI can unite them intelligently. Your action: use AI-powered integration platforms like Fivetran with AI mapping or Microsoft Fabric. AI automatically identifies relationships between datasets and suggests optimal integration schemas. The benefit: single source of truth without months of manual integration work. Complete visibility across your entire data ecosystem. Don't just stare at dashboards, let AI write the insights for you. Your action: implement tools with AI narrative generation like Qlik Insight Advisor, Power BI Smart Narratives, or custom GPT integrations that analyze your data and generate written summaries. The benefit: automatic, executive summaries, trend explanations, and actionable recommendations. Perfect for reports, presentations, and stakeholder updates. Your personal AI data analyst, available 24/7. Your action: build or deploy AI chatbots trained on your specific datasets using tools like ChatGPT with custom GPTs, Microsoft Copilot Studio, or specialized analytics assistants. The benefit: ask follow-up questions, drill down into details, get instant calculations, all through conversation. It's like having a senior analyst on demand at zero extra cost. AI doesn't just analyze data, it protects it intelligently. Your action: implement AI-powered governance tools that automatically classify sensitive data, monitor access patterns, ensure GDPR regulatory compliance, and flag potential breaches. The benefit: automatic compliance without manual audits. AI learns your data policies and enforces them consistently across all systems. Sleep easy, knowing you're protected. Stop spending hours creating the same reports every week. Your action: set up AI-powered automated reporting systems that pull fresh data, generate insights, create visualizations, and distribute customized reports to stakeholders automatically. The benefit: weekly, daily, or real-time reports without lifting a finger. Stakeholders get personalized insights when they need them. You reclaim hours every week. The ultimate hack, AI that gets smarter with every use. Your action. Implement MLOps practices where your AI models continuously learn from new data, automatically retrain and improve accuracy over time. Use platforms with built-in model monitoring and auto-retraining. The benefit. Your analytics capabilities compound over time. What's 90% accurate today becomes 95% next month, 98% next quarter. You stay ahead permanently while competitors use static tools. Here's the secret sauce. Stack these hacks together. Use AI to clean your data. Hack 1. Integrate sources. Hack 5. Detect patterns. Hack 4. Generate predictions. Hack 3. And create automated insights. Hack 6. That your chatbot assistant. Hack 7. Can explain to anyone who asks. Hack 2. All while maintaining compliance. Hack 8. And improving continuously. Hack 10. This isn't the future. Top data teams are doing this right now. The AI revolution in data analytics is happening with or without you. These 10 hacks are your blueprint to stay ahead. Start with one hack this week, master it, then add another. Which hack will you implement first? Drop it in the comments. And if this added value, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and analytics strategies. Remember, in the age of AI, the question isn't whether to leverage it, it's how fast you can move. Let's go.